Switzerland, where the beauty of nature meets the magic of the Alps. From shimmering lakes nestled in mountain valleys to charming villages that seem frozen in time, this country is home to some of the most breathtaking places on Earth. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 10 most beautiful places to visit in Switzerland, places that will leave you awestruck and longing for adventure. Stick around because you won't want to miss these unforgettable destinations. 1. Walensee. Our first stop is the serene and majestic Walensee, one of the largest and deepest lakes in Switzerland. Often overlooked by tourists, Walensee is a hidden gem tucked away in the Swiss Alps. The lake's turquoise waters reflect the towering Kurfürsten mountain range, creating an almost magical mirror effect. Imagine yourself hiking along the scenic trails that hug the lake's shores, with the sound of lapping waves and the crisp mountain air surrounding you. Or take a boat ride to explore the charming lakeside villages, like Quintin, accessible only by foot or boat. Walensee offers a peaceful escape into nature and a breathtaking experience like no other. 2. Appenzell. Next, we travel to the region of Appenzell, where the Swiss countryside is at its most charming. Appenzell is a place where time slows down, where the landscape is dominated by gentle rolling hills, meadows dotted with wildflowers, and the sound of cowbells drifting in the breeze. The traditional Swiss chalets add to the postcard-perfect scene, making you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. The region is also famous for its hiking trails, including the breathtaking Ebenalp, which leads you to the famous Aescher cliffside restaurant. Whether you're exploring the colorful village of Appenzell or hiking to panoramic viewpoints, the natural beauty of this area will leave you mesmerized. 3. Jungfraujoch. Jungfraujoch is known as the top of Europe, and for good reason. At an elevation of over 3,400 meters, this breathtaking destination offers some of the most spectacular views in the world. As you ascend by train through the heart of the Bernese Alps, you'll be treated to an unforgettable journey past glaciers, snow-capped peaks, and dramatic valleys. Once you reach the observation deck, you'll be greeted by a 360-degree view of the surrounding mountains, including the famous Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau peaks. On clear days, you can even see as far as France and Germany. Standing on Jungfraujoch is like being on top of the world, with the immensity of nature stretching out in every direction. 4. Lauterbrunnen. Nestled in one of the most picturesque valleys in the world, Lauterbrunnen is a destination that seems to come straight from a fantasy novel. Often called the Valley of 72 Waterfalls, Lauterbrunnen is framed by towering cliffs from which waterfalls cascade, creating a magical, almost surreal atmosphere. The most iconic of these is Staubach Falls, which plunges nearly 300 meters from the cliffs above, creating a misty veil over the village below. Hiking trails weave through the valley, offering breathtaking views of the waterfalls, green pastures, and the majestic Alps in the background. Lauterbrunnen's beauty is both serene and dramatic, making it a dream destination for nature lovers and photographers alike. 5. Grindelwald. Grindelwald is a true alpine paradise located at the foot of the imposing Eiger Mountain. The village itself is charming, with traditional Swiss chalets, cozy cafes, and flower-filled meadows. But what truly sets Grindelwald apart is the sheer beauty of its surroundings. The mountains loom large over the village, and during the summer, the meadows burst into bloom with vibrant wildflowers, while in winter, it becomes a snow-covered wonderland. Adventurers can take on the thrilling hikes up to the first cliff walk, or take the cable car up to Pfingsteg for panoramic views of glaciers and valleys below. Whether you're seeking adrenaline or just want to relax and take in the scenery, Grindelwald offers it all in a setting that feels almost too beautiful to be real. 6. Lucerne. Lucerne is the perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. This enchanting city is set on the shores of Lake Lucerne, surrounded by some of Switzerland's most iconic mountains, including Mount Pilatus and Rigi. The medieval old town is filled with colorful frescoed buildings, cobblestone streets, and the famous Chapel Bridge, a 14th century wooden bridge adorned with flowers. As you walk along the lake's promenade, you'll be treated to stunning views of the mountains reflecting off the water's surface, creating an idyllic scene. Whether you're exploring the historic architecture, taking a boat ride on the lake, or riding the world's steepest cogwheel railway up Mount Pilatus, Lucerne offers endless beauty and adventure. 7. Zermatt. Zermatt is a world-famous destination, and its star attraction is the iconic Matterhorn. This jagged, pyramid-shaped mountain is one of the most photographed peaks in the world, and for good reason, it's simply stunning. The village of Zermatt sits at the base of the Matterhorn and is a car-free haven, adding to its peaceful charm. In winter, Zermatt transforms into a premier ski resort, while in summer, the surrounding meadows and hiking trails are perfect for outdoor adventures. The Matterhorn is a sight that will stay with you forever, whether you're viewing it from afar or standing at the foot of its majestic slopes. 8. Kandersteg. Kandersteg is a hidden gem that offers some of Switzerland's most unspoiled natural beauty. The highlight of this region is the stunning Ocean Lake, a turquoise jewel nestled among dense pine forests and towering alpine peaks. The lake's vibrant color is almost surreal, and the surrounding landscape looks like something from a dream. During summer, the area is perfect for hiking, swimming, and picnicking, while in winter it turns into a peaceful wonderland ideal for snowshoeing and ice skating. Kandersteg and Ocean Lake offer a quiet escape from the crowds and a chance to experience the pristine beauty of Switzerland's wilderness. 9. Aescher. Perched on a sheer cliff, the Aescher restaurant is one of the most unique and jaw-dropping places in all of Switzerland. Reaching this famous spot requires a hike up through the alpine meadows of Ebenalp, but the reward is well worth it. Once you arrive, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the mountains and valleys below, while dining on traditional Swiss cuisine in this one-of-a-kind location. The Aescher is the perfect blend of adventure and beauty, making it a bucket list destination for anyone traveling through Switzerland. 10. Interlaken. Last on our list is Interlaken, a town nestled between two shimmering lakes, Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, and surrounded by the imposing peaks of the Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau. This vibrant town is known as the adventure capital of Switzerland, offering activities like paragliding, skydiving, and boat rides. But even if adventure isn't your thing, Interlaken's natural beauty will leave you in awe. The stunning turquoise lakes, rolling hills, and dramatic mountains make it the perfect place to relax and take in the incredible Swiss scenery. It's no wonder Interlaken is one of the most popular destinations in the country. Switzerland is a country where beauty truly knows no bounds. From the towering peaks of the Alps to the tranquil shores of its lakes, every corner of this breathtaking country offers something unique and unforgettable. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrills or someone looking to find peace in nature, Switzerland has it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Let us know in the comments which of these places you'd love to visit.